Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm in a different location today at a different time. I'm out with my dear friend Faye and we're in a bamboo forest who I would say is incredible here. I'm Beat Karen by the way from Beat's Vegan Cooking School, and I'm bringing you the daily tip, and today I'm talking about black salt. So it's quite fitting where I go in India, there's a lot of bamboo, but black salt actually comes from the Himalayas. And I don't like to buy things that aren't local, but this is one thing I do get. Whenever I go to India, I go and get black salt, and it's not really, I'll just bring it closer. It's not really black, it's pink. So that's how I get it in India. It's rock salt, but you can buy it here in Australia. Woo-wee! It smells of eggs. Okay, and it's like a grey pink colour, but it's called black salt. It's full of sulphur. And it's not the sulphur, it's not bad for you actually, the sulphur in black salt, so it's not to be avoided. But I only use a little bit of it at a time when I'm making something for people when they miss eggs. So if I make scrambled tofu or a vegan omelette, I'll put some of this in. So the tip, if you do use it, if you want things to taste of eggs, is don't buy a lot because it does lose its eggy flavour. So I would just buy maybe even half of what I've got there because you don't need much of it. Yeah, if you've never tried it, try it, and then when you first smell it, you'll go, whew, that smells like eggs. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, ask a question, share, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and check out my website, www.veets.com.au, and Veets is V-E-E-T-S. Okay, bye, see you tomorrow, thank you.
Well done.